What was that? What was that? Did you burp? You did? Wow. It's time for nap. It's time for nap. Red, stop. Stop. It's time for nap. Redmond, you gotta take a nap. It's time for your nap. Your blanket. Okay. Here's your blanket. Now, it's time for your nap. Mommy. Hey, did you make a poopy?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do about it? What should I do about it?
Dad.
What do I do?
Dad.
Okay, we'll go take care of it.